In this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Bitvavo. And if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then please check the link in the description to get started for free and to pay no commission fees in the beginning. This can save you a lot of money when you're just getting started on Bitvavo, so go ahead and check the link in the description if you are interested in this. It's absolutely for free and it gives you a lot of benefits. So let's dive into the video right now. Let's click on the search bar and type in Ethereum. So we have a couple of options from Ethereum and we are going to select ETH as this is the original Ethereum. So click on this and now we're going to click on buy. So enter the amount that you want to buy Ethereum for. So there is a minimum amount of €5 or something that's equivalent to $5 when you are buying Ethereum. So let's say I want to buy for €10, then I'm going to click on preview order. And as you can see, the Ethereum price will be refreshed every 6 seconds. And if you are okay with everything, then you're going to click on buy Ethereum. And as you can see, there is a fee included. And if you don't want to pay fees, then you need to click the link in the description to get started with Bitvavo, and then you will not pay any fees. So that is a nice benefit to get started. So this will last for a couple of weeks, but this can really help you get started on Bitvavo. So again, check the link in the description if you want that. So anyway, click on buy Ethereum. And right now we can click on continue. That is how you buy Ethereum on Bitvavo. Everything will be added to your balance right now. And that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe.